So continue. So we're talking about its first opinion. So first opinion is a pouch. According to them, it is what is known as riskalas real chasu. Okay, so we finish with first opinion. Second opinion. Other authorities say that it is a bread prepared from a dough, which is mixed with honey, oil, milk, or various spices, etc. Okay, so let's stop here. So at first dough, we said it was mixed with flour and water. That's it. So now they say, I'm not sure if they need water, if they do with honey. Probably if they do with honey, they need some water. But if they mix with oil, it's very, very possible. So in this case, they don't need the it's mizonos bread, right? Or milk. So if you or various other spices or juices, right? So in this case, it becomes like a snack bread. It's not regular bread. My explanation, maybe because it's very expensive, right? To use honey or oil and milk. Okay, 29. Okay, commentary, which was mixed. There is when it was needed. So in the first case scenario, it was needed with water. In the second case scenario, it is needed with all of these liquids. According to this opinion, even the flour was needed, mostly with water. It is also classed as a snack bread, in a view of the fact that that one also mix these ingredients with the dough, and they affect the taste. So as we said, I mentioned only honey, but it could be oil. You can make the dough with oil only. There is no problem. But Mishneh Berurah says, okay, if it's not complete oil, but let's say even it's a 30% oil, 40%, 25% oil, but you can taste this oil in the dough, so it's going to go into category of this bread. And same with all other juices. It does not have to be majority, right? At least they say at least, but it must be discernible in the dough. So here we go. We have this big discussion about mizonos pizza, right? Pizza. So they say mizonos. Why? So people would not make would not need to make the blessing Hamotzi and birchas Hamazon after eating. So, but as I never ate, I never tried such a thing. But everybody who ate, and I asked them, and nobody could say that they can taste like apple juice or something, right? So it's not actually hamotzi. It's just a trick. Okay. As the Rabbi Reuven always say, if stupidity would be a stock, so the price would be infinity. Right? People want to make mistakes, so there is always somebody who would make them to make mistakes. Okay.
I add something.
Go ahead.
Isn't hamotzi changing to mesonot in the moment the dough have not frequent ingredients?
One would say if hamotzi can change to mesonot.
Yes, in the moment you add a strange ingredients, does it change?
Before you bake, correct? That's what.
Yes, before you bake the bread.
Okay, that's what exactly what we're talking about. This changes of status. It's only before you bake. So after you bake, that's it. There is no change of status.
I'm thinking this because in the Sephardic custom, I think Rabbi say that in the moment the bread is sweet, I think it's mesonot, not hamotzi. I'm not sure.
Okay, yes, it is according to their custom, it is mesonot. But if he ate a lot, as we said, that's our thing. What we going here. So if he ate 8 ounces, it becomes hamotzi according to all of the opinion.
So this snack bread is able to change again to Hamotzi?
When he ate a lot, 8 ounces. So 1 ounce is, let's say, 30 grams.
Okay.
So what is it? 240 grams, right? Whatever it is. No. Yeah. So I mean, is it a lot? I would not call it. I would not call it a lot. I mean, it's easy to eat such amount, right? Okay, so that's that's exactly Mishneh Berurah says. If the taste is discernible, so discernible means that for example, if well, what you're saying, maybe it was mixed with what is it? With a honey. So if it's a honey, so according to Shulchan Aruch, it does not have to be majority, but it's discernible. So according to Sephardic tradition, according at least to Rabbi, so that would be Mizrachi. But if he ate a lot, so it's according to everybody, it would change to Hamotzi. But Ashkenazic tradition, so we always say if it's a little sweet, we don't concern. Even if you have like sometimes people make challah with berries, like blueberries, with dried cranberries, with other things. It's still a bread. Okay. Okay. All right. So we said that. So the taste, one more time, the taste must be discernible. Okay. So and he added honey. I'm going to repeat one more time. There is honey, milk, oil, milk, and various of spices, etc. And then bake. So it must be before the baking process. So after the baking, that's it's not changing. We're going only by quantity. And then bake. And the taste of the fruit juice or spice, etc., mixed with the dough must be discernible in the dough for it to have ruling of the snack bread. So as we said, you have to feel that there is sweetness. So this pizza, what they do, or they say snack bread, I give you the example that I gave before, is when you fly, right, and when you fly in a plane and they give you this kosher meal. So in this kosher meal, there is a dinner roll. So roll is by definition is they call it dinner and they call roll. So it's already a bread, right? But but somehow they say mizonos on it. So I try, as I said before, tried it many times. I mean, we say of course we don't try the bread. We would not use it on a plane because there is no place to wash hands and okay. So we would not use it, but we'll take it with us and then eat it in a hotel or somewhere. So and its taste is 100% as a dough. So it's a biggest scam, one of the biggest scams, unfortunately, right? So it's not discernible. Shulchan Aruch said it must. Shulchan Aruch said it must be discernible. Mishneh Berurah said it must be discernible. Okay, so let's see. Since otherwise it is classed as a proper bread, how do I know? Like if I'm tasting the bread, right? How do I know it has a little honey? Maybe, I mean, if I don't taste it, so it does not, right? Bread into which one put saffron to make it tasty and attractive, or into which one put a few raisins, is classed as a proper bread according to all authorities. So saffron is we actually using saffron for rice, very delicious, right? And as I say, a few raisins. I mean, of course, few is how much raisins. Of course, I mean, if a few raisins or different berries, there is no problem. It's still proper bread. Okay.